Hey everyone, it's Kristina, your favorite lifeguard. So today we're going to be making an ocean breeze. Like a sea breeze, but way better. Take 1.5 ounces of raspberry vodka. Next, 1.5 ounces of your coconut rum. 3 ounces of cranberry juice. Matches me. And 1.5 ounces of your pineapple juice. So, just stir it up like that. Then, take my favorite fruit, a cherry, and drop it on in there. And I feel like getting a little crazy, so we're gonna add an extra shot on, oops. It's okay if you make a splash. We're gonna get wet here anyways. Hey everyone, it's Naysa Baloney. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.